Imagine waking up and making breakfast for 6,000 people. Now imagine doing it in the middle of the ocean. No grocery store, no delivery trucks, no quick supply runs, just one massive ship floating miles away from land. Extensive meal planning begins weeks before a cruise ship departs. This process considers passenger numbers, nationalities, and eating habits. Food allergies and special dietary requirements are also meticulously accounted for. So how do cruise ships actually feed thousands of passengers every single day without running out of food? Let's go inside the floating kitchen. The magic doesn't begin at sea, it begins weeks before departure. This ensures accurate projection of food needs for the entire voyage. A 7-day cruise is a complex logistical operation, especially concerning provisions. Such a voyage typically accommodates 6,000 passengers and 2,000 crew members. The total number of meals served during this period can reach approximately 168,000. This massive culinary undertaking requires over 20 tons of food supplies. Thousands of desserts are prepared to cater to diverse preferences on board. Substantial quantities of bread, fresh fruits, and various beverages are also provisioned. Prior to departure, a ship undergoes a massive provisioning process. This involves loading immense quantities of food and supplies. For example, 30,000 eggs are loaded to sustain passengers and crew. Additionally, 10,000 pounds of beef are brought aboard. The provisioning also includes 2,000 pounds of salmon. This ensures the vessel is fully stocked for its journey. Food items are meticulously stored in giant refrigerated rooms below deck. These storage areas are designed to maintain optimal conditions for various provisions. Some refrigerated rooms are as expansive as supermarket aisles, maximizing storage capacity. Separate sections are dedicated to frozen goods, ensuring proper temperature control. Fresh produce, meat, and dairy products are allocated distinct, climate-controlled compartments. Dry goods are also systematically organized in designated areas, maintaining their quality. Modern inventory management systems meticulously track every item within a facility. Sophisticated computer systems are utilized to label and monitor each product. This digital tracking ensures precise control over all inventory movements. The system minimizes the risk of stock shortages by providing real-time data. It also significantly reduces waste by optimizing stock levels and preventing spoilage. Cruise ship kitchens maintain continuous 2-4-hour operations to cater to passenger needs. Even during nighttime hours, culinary teams are actively engaged in food preparation. Bakers work diligently through the night, ensuring fresh items for the next day. They meticulously prepare a variety of baked goods, including bread and croissants. Muffins and pastries are also crafted, ready for morning service. This round-the-clock effort ensures a constant supply of fresh provisions for all meals. Chefs begin breakfast preparations as early as 4 or 5 a.m. This early start ensures timely service for thousands of passengers. The goal is to have a diverse array of fresh food ready. Preparation is meticulously planned for immediate service. This process guarantees fresh meals are available when passengers awaken. Cruise ships offer diverse dining experiences to cater to varied passenger preferences. These options typically include casual buffet-style restaurants for relaxed meals. Fine dining establishments provide elegant settings and sophisticated culinary creations. Specialty venues like pizza stations, sushi bars, and steakhouses offer unique cuisines. This variety ensures a comprehensive gastronomic journey for all guests on board. Each individual kitchen and dining venue operates within a centralized supply system. This system functions like a small city's infrastructure, ensuring seamless operations. Its primary purpose is to guarantee the efficient distribution of all necessary ingredients. This integration optimizes logistics and resource management across all venues. Head chefs maintain constant communication and coordination across all dining establishments. This network ensures efficient resource management within the culinary operations. If one restaurant faces a low supply of specific ingredients, the network activates. Provisions are strategically redirected from a central hub to meet demand. Buffet operations present unique challenges in managing food supply and demand. These challenges are primarily due to varying passenger consumption patterns. Cruise lines meticulously study guest eating habits to forecast demand accurately. This analysis includes average consumption rates and peak dining times. Forecasting enables proactive measures to reduce potential food waste. Efficient buffet management minimizes waste while ensuring guest satisfaction. Cruise ships implement stringent waste control measures to manage onboard refuse effectively. These measures include meticulous monitoring of food leftovers to minimize waste. Strict food safety regulations dictate that any food left out beyond a safe period must be discarded. This adherence ensures hygiene and safety while contributing to overall waste management protocols. Many vessels now utilize advanced systems to meticulously track food waste generated on board. These systems aim to reduce overproduction and facilitate the recycling of food waste where feasible. Direct disposal of food waste into the ocean is strictly prohibited by environmental regulations. This practice is also environmentally harmful, contributing to marine pollution and ecosystem disruption. Feeding thousands on a large cruise ship requires an extensive and dedicated culinary team. These vessels typically employ 150 to 300 kitchen staff members. The team includes diverse roles such as executive chefs, sous chefs, and pastry chefs. Inventory managers also play a crucial role in ensuring efficient kitchen operations. Cruise lines meticulously calculate supply needs to prevent food shortages during voyages. They always carry extra provisions to ensure passenger satisfaction and operational continuity. At specific ports of call, fresh fruits, vegetables, and specialty items are restocked. This efficient resupply process is completed within hours, minimizing port time. Cruise ships offer comprehensive dining services, catering to a diverse range of passenger needs. Special dietary requirements are meticulously addressed, ensuring all guests enjoy their meals safely. Options include vegan, gluten-free, kosher, and halal meals, prepared with specific guidelines. Allergy-safe preparations are a priority, with dedicated protocols to prevent cross-contamination. Beyond special diets, cruise ships also provide luxurious dining experiences. Guests can indulge in premium selections such as lobster, wagyu steak, and caviar. Cruise ship galleys present unique challenges due to the vessel's constant motion. Equipment must be securely fastened to prevent displacement and ensure safety during operation. Chefs must maintain high precision while working with sharp knives and hot pans. Managing boiling water and other liquids requires extreme caution in a dynamic environment. The continuous shifting of the ship demands constant adaptation and skill from kitchen staff.